Welcome to the Vermont Concerned Citizen channel. We are a patriotic American community, and please consider supporting us on Patreon. Thank you.
Oh, to the borders, Vermonters, come down with your breeches of deerskin and jackets of brown, with your red woolen caps and your moccasins. Come to the gathering summons of trumpet and drum. Come down with your rifle.
Got another new small pistol. I have no idea what model this is, but it gives you a bunch of different versions. So how do I know what model I have? Hopefully it's on the light somewhere. Okay, what the hell? Okay, apparently it's slide on and off. However, this one, the battery comes out right there. You unscrew the whole end. And the battery is either dead or not charged, so I gotta charge the battery. We'll be back. Okay, got a spare battery. I don't feel like waiting. So if we turn this on, one click does nothing, one click. But if we come all the way back and then push it again, double click, goes the strobe. Shut it off, on, shut it off, strobe. Okay, that's kind of weird design. Would have been better if it's half a click on, full click strobe or something. It is nice and bright though. I want to say, I bet it's almost brighter than my NC Star Vism. Let's get that one out and compare it next to it. Okay, so here's the NC Star Vism. Here's the TrustFire. It's definitely longer. If you can see the beam patterns, TrustFire is definitely stronger. Again, both in the strobe mode. There they are in strobe mode. Both batteries are charged. The TrustFire over here on the left side, that's definitely a bright beast. Definitely brighter NC Star. And they both have that quick release thing. Spring on the TrustStar looks smaller, weaker. That piece looks plastic. Rest of it is aluminum. Looks like there's a pin in there that holds that spring and everything into there. Don't know what those two keyways there are for, but not going to mess with the back of it, so. NC Star is slightly pointed. This is more of a flat chisel tip. Should have understood why it was going to be pointed anyways, but anyways, I guess it's for aesthetic reasons. There you go. TrustFire next to the NC Star. I still have no idea what version it is. You are your first and last line of defense. Keep that powder dry. Be safe. Stay armed. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification for future videos.